Hello students, today's point of discussion is salient features of hybridization. Now hybridization is based on certain characteristic features. Let's discuss one by one those salient features. So very first point to be noted is the atomic orbitals of same atom that too belong to the valence shell can participate in the process of hybridization. So this is very first thing is the atomic orbitals of valence shell of same atom can take part in process of hybridization. This is very important thing. Now second very important thing is, second point is the participating atomic orbitals must have nearly same energy. So remember the hybridizing atomic orbitals must have nearly same energy. That is, for example, 2s orbital can mix with 2p, but 2s orbital cannot mix with 3p due to greater difference in energy. Now, atomic orbitals having unpaired electron can participate in process of hybridization. Atomic orbitals having pair of electron, fully filled orbitals, can participate also. And sometimes empty atomic orbitals are also involved in the process of hybridization. So remember, atomic orbitals having unpaired electrons, pair of electrons or empty orbitals are also involved in the process of hybridization. Now the newly formed hybrid, number of newly formed hybrid orbital depends upon the number of atomic orbitals participated. So remember, the number of atomic orbitals mixed is equal to total number of hybrid orbitals formed. Number of atomic orbitals mixed is equal to total number of hybrid orbitals formed. If 3 atomic orbitals are participating, then surely 3 hybrid orbitals are expected. In case if 4 atomic orbitals are participated, then definitely 4 hybrid orbitals are expected from the process. Likewise, now the hybrid orbitals of same atom are identical in all respect. They are having maximum symmetry, but they differ from the original atomic orbitals. Remember, hybrid orbitals of same atom are identical, but they differ from atomic orbitals. Now hybrid orbitals can overlap with hybrid orbital of other atom as well as atomic orbital of other atom. Hybrid orbital can overlap with any. So remember, hybrid orbital of one atom can overlap with hybrid as well as atomic orbital of other atom. Now hybrid orbitals are having extra directional character. I mean, electrons in hybrid orbital are concentrated more in one direction, and hence they overlap to a greater extent, producing stronger bonds. I mean, hybrid orbital only form sigma bond, they never form pi bond, remember. So this is very important thing. Hybrid orbitals overlap to greater extent, forming stronger bonds. They never form pi bond. Now another very important thing, hybrid orbital having pair of electron remain as a lone pair on central atom. That is very important thing. So hybrid orbital having pair of electron remain as a lone pair on central atom. For example, in ammonia, nitrogen has one lone pair. Nitrogen atom has one lone pair. And in water, oxygen has two lone pair of electrons. So the lone pair of electrons are nothing but the hybrid orbitals having pair of electrons. Now hybrid orbitals are having two lobes, one of which is larger lobe and other one is smaller lobe. And remember, hybrid orbitals of one atom try to settle away from each other in order to avoid mutual repulsion. So depending upon the orientation, one can judge the geometry. And very important thing, hybrid orbital can hold two electrons just like the atomic orbitals. So these are the salient features of hybridization. Thank you very much.